Hello everybody, this is the week 4 progress of my final year project. Main changes I like to go through before I move on to the simulation are I managed to get the main code base, so the state machine and the steward display and the main control application. I managed to connect that with XPlane, so now it can obtain the telemetry data that's needed. Something worth noting is that in XPlane, the telemetry data is actually 8 values instead of 6. So it's the linear acceleration, surge, sway, and heave, angle acceleration, roll, pitch, yaw, and bank angle and pitch angle. At the moment, only bank angle and pitch angle are used in the actual Stuart platform display. And other than that, something else worth noting is I had to implement a new code for the UDP. This code is pretty much defines UDP send and receive objects. So the code is simpler in the long run. It's more maintainable, but I did spend quite a fair amount of time going through the entire code base and just pretty much using this new code instead of the old one that I had, which was far more segmented and just wasn't as well maintainable as it should. So with that out of the way, the final thing, hopefully the final thing, is that the manual mode does not work at the moment. This is again because I had to go scour the entire code base and just change changes because so many changes were made. The manual mode does not work at the moment, but it'll hopefully work soon. I can hopefully move on to making it work soon. So just like before, there's also split the dummy airplane app into two. So now instead of just sending the save state and the telemetry only one, there's another one dedicated app which sends the save state. It's no functional difference. It's just pretty much just splitting the code into two, and I think I go through this in the written blog in a bit more detail. So just like before, save state, it goes from idle to ready, and it has to be in the ready state for anything to actually happen. So send value, start the simulation. It has started. Oh yes, again, because more or less the entire code had to be reworked. The gains are not fully implemented yet either. Only the bank angle and the pitch angle are. So if we go to the steward display now, we have the steward display here. We go to the actual airplane simulation and put this over here so it's overlaid. And we start it up. Nothing has happened. And why has nothing? Oh, it has moved a little bit actually. It is in the running state. Okay, so it's all good. I just didn't notice. So I begin to take off. Take off the airplane and the simulator. And if you can observe, the steward platform moves as the plane moves. Right now, because the way the human body senses movement, and the way things work in 3D space in general, in terms of absolute position, you can only feel the plane either tilting from left to right or tilting front and back. In order to feel the other forces like linear acceleration and yaw, it's a term of linear acceleration. It's a term of moving the platform and then slowly going to the center to create that illusion. That's called washout, and it is yet to be implemented for next week. So yes, this is the progress so far. I've managed to get the telemetry working with Python and get some kind of display to show how a theoretical steel platform would work. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.